Dumelang, re simolola kgaolo e ntšha ya Mokwalo o Lolameng, proper grammar and spelling. Ka fa re buang ka teng mo Setswaneng, the way we talk in Setswana and the way re kwalang ka teng a go tshwane. Gompieno ra go ithuta ka the proper way to write, go kwala mo Setswaneng. Before we start the lesson, remember to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, go to TikTok and follow our account Learn Setswana with Mohomutsi. Let's start. Like I just said, this is a new chapter yone ya Mokwalo o Lolameng. Matshwao a beilweng X ya ke ka ha re sa kwaleng ka teng mokwalo o sa lolamang, incorrect grammar. A beilweng tiki ke ka fa re kwalang ka teng mo Setswaneng, correct grammar. Ga re re setšhaba with a CH, re kwala re setšhaba yo rositsweng with S yo rositsweng. Setšhaba means public or nation. Ga re tšhotha, ra re tšhotla, which means to chew. Ga re kwale re re legong, ra re logong, wood or a log. We don't write lehoha, we write as lefofa, a feather. We don't write habatsi, we write fafatsi, on the ground or floor. We don't write thapa, we write tlapa, which means to bath. Thapa means to hire. We don't write hakhamala, we write as hakhamala, which means to be shocked or to be surprised. We don't write hisa, we write as fisa, which means to burn or be hot. Remember in Setswana, re replace a ka f. We don't write fuma, we write huma, which means to be rich. This is one of the few words where we use H in Setswana. We don't write lehelo, we write lefeelo. We replace H with F. Lefeelo is a broom. We don't write ko lapeng. When we talk, we write ko lapeng. When we write kwa lapeng, which means at home. Haribua ra re takwano, but the correct way of writing is tlaya kwano, which means come here. Haribua ra re hokotsa, but the proper way of writing is fokotsa, to reduce. When you talk, ra re tala, but the correct way of writing is tlala, which means hunger. Talayo means green. Haribua ra re goromente, but this is just borrowed from English, from the word government. The proper way of writing this word is puso in Setswana, government, the government of Botswana, puso ya Botswana. Jaanong a re dirise mafoko a mo dieleng gore re tshware bokao jwa one sentle. Re dira ithutuntsho, exercise. Number 1, setšhaba se lalediwa phutlego. Setšhaba, the public, se is lalediwa, invited to phuthego, a meeting. The correct way of writing, like we said, ke setšhaba. Yo resitswe, not this one. Dirisa lefeelo o lehelo go kolomaka kgotsa go phepafatsa. Dirisa, use lefeelo, a broom, go to phepafatsa, clean. The correct way of writing ke lefeelo, not lehelo. Good. Another example, mosimane o a tlhapa. Mosimane, a boy, o a is thapa, bathing. So like we said, thapayo means to hire. The correct tlhapa ke yo, which means bathing. Let's do more examples. Number 4, kgosi o nna gaufi le sekolo. Kgosi is a name. O nna stays gaufi, close to sekolo, school. So the correct way of writing is gaufi. We replace the H with F. Number 5, baya ditlhako fa fatshe. Baya means put ditlhako, shoes, fa fatshe, on the ground or the floor. So the correct way of writing is fafatshe, not habatshe. The last one, number 6, dijo tse di a hisa or di a fisa. Dijo, this food, tse di a is hisa, hot. Hot as in not cold. So the correct way of writing is fisa, not hisa. We are continuing with the lesson. Before we continue, remember to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and go and follow our account on TikTok at Learn Setswana with Mokgo. Let's continue. In Setswana, go a le ka re kwalang ka teng ha ka re ntse re bua, le ka fa re buang ka teng. Dio tse pedi tse ga di tshwane. So ra go ira mafoko a tshwaraganang, words that are joined together. Just like in English, words have spaces between them, have a different meaning to words that are joined. The same thing applies in Setswana. For example, lone, lone, yo, yo. These words have different meanings. So, a re tseneng mo dikaing. Ha re beileng tiki, ke mafoko a tshwaraganang. Ha re beileng X, ke mafoko a sa tshwaraganeng. Words that are not joined together. And these words have different meanings. Sekai, this is one. This is one. He or she was. One can be a pronoun for it, for items. This is sele, the wrong thing. This is a sele, that one. It's used to point to a thing that's far away. This is sena, after. This is sena, without. This is gone, it. This is gone, it was. Remember that ne ke paka e fetile, o dirisiwa gantsi mo paka e fetileng, past tense. This is yo. It's used to refer to that person. This is yo. It is used to describe a person that is. This is baba, to be ichi or chili. This is baba, that are, people that are. So it's different. Let's get to examples. Dikai, examples. 1. One metsi a tsididi. One, like we said, it's a pronoun for items. So, one, water, a is tsididi, cold, as in not hot. Another example, mosetsana o ne a lela. Mosetsana, a girl, o ne was a lela, cry. So you can see that the meaning of this sentence and the meaning of this sentence are different. This is one, this is one, to show that it's a past tense. Ke paka e fetileng. Number 2, ngwana yo o a ja. Ngwana yo, that child, o a is ja, eating. So yo refers to that person, that child, right? Another one, ngwana yo o lelang ga a je. Ngwana yo, a baby that is lelang, crying, ga a je, is not eating. You can see that these two sentences are different. This is ngwana yo, that baby. This is ngwana yo, a child that is. So these are different. The last example, o tsere buka e sele. He or she tsere took buka e sele, the wrong book. Another example, situnya sele, se sentle. Situnya sele, that flower. Se is ntle, beautiful. So you can see that these two words are different. The one with spaces in between and the one without spaces in between. This is o tsere buka e sele, the wrong book. This is situnya sele, that flower. This one is used for pointing. This one is used to refer to the wrong thing. I hope for now you have a clear example of how we space words in Setswana. Alright, the last sub-objective in this chapter ya gonna tiriso ya le lo, the use of le and lo. Let's see how we use this. But before we do that, remember to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and follow us on TikTok. Re ya go simolola ka tiriso ya lo. So lo ke mafoko a e le goreng ke singular, a simolola ka lo. Ga le mantsi, dio tsa teng di le dintsi, when there are many, plural is di. So singular ke lo, plural is di. Let's get to the examples. Dikai, lo nao, a foot, plural for it ke dinao, feet. Logong, a log, plural ke digong, logs or firewood. Lonaka, a horn, plural ke dinaka, horns. So just like you can see, ha lefoko le simolola ka lo e le singular, plural ya teng ya go simolola ka di. So ke lo di, mafoko a bofelo. Ha lefoko le simolola ka le e le singular, plural ya teng ya go simolola ka ma, le ma. So let's get into the examples. Legapu, watermelon, when it's singular. Magapu, when it's plural. Ha le mantsi, we don't say digapu. That's why we use le. Lefatshe, a country. Mafatshe, countries. Le, an egg. Ma-e, eggs. Singular, plural. So if the singular starts with le, the plural starts with ma. Le, ma. Thank you very much for joining us in this video ya Mokwalo o Lolameng. I hope now you learned gore ka fa re buang ka teng le ka fa re kwalang ka teng go a harologana. So in this lesson we learned about Mokwalo o Lolameng. We learned about mafoko a tshwaraganang le tiriso ya le lo. I would like to congratulate you for finishing chapter 2. You are making good progress. Until we meet again in the next chapter.